Install the add-on. Click the link in the video description to install the SUPBIS GPT add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Alternatively, visit supbis.com for installation and more details. Get your SUPBIS GPT license key. After purchase, your license key will be delivered to your email. This key is required to activate the extension. Get your OpenAI API Key if you don't have one yet. Register at platform.openai.com to get your API key. Connect everything inside Google Sheets. Open your Google Sheet and go to Extensions, give SUPBIS GPT gives, settings, paste in your license key, and OpenAI API Key to activate the tool. Create your first GPT action. In Settings, gives a new GPT action, name your action. For simple prompts like translate to German, just enter it directly. For more advanced tasks, we suggest crafting your prompt with ChatGPT first, then pasting it in. Set output destinations. Decide where you want the GPT responses to appear. For analyzing content, set output to a specific cell like K1. For rewriting or generating, line by line, choose an output column like K, and each response will align with the source row. Select your GPT model, choose your preferred model. We recommend GPT 4.1 Mini or GPT 4.1 Nano for a balance of cost and performance. Tune temperature low values, more accurate. Balanced and reliable, high. More creative but less predictable. Most tasks work well between 0.5 and 0.7. Set max tokens, adjust based on your task. For short tasks, 700 tokens is usually enough. Save your GPT action. Select the cells you want to process. For your first time, test on just a few. Go to Extensions, gives run GPT action, gives select your saved action, gives run review the responses, and fine-tune your prompt, temperature, or output setup as needed.